Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here. And today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to My AI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, My AI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how My AI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
Today we're going to be using the comment on a post tool. For that, we will start naturally on the social media of our choice. So you can see here I am on my feed and I can take a look at the different people and posts that have come across my feed. I actually like this one here. Pretty cool. I want to comment on that. I see that there is very little information here, but hey, let's grab it. I want to grab all that information. All right, perfect. So that was the content of the post. I am gonna go back to my account. So we're gonna go for the comment on the post. At this point, you can see here, it's clearly letting me know what I need to do. I already have decided the type of message that it is since we're commenting on the post. Here, in this case, I've copied the text. So as it's listed, I am gonna paste the text N. Here on this side, I'm coming from LinkedIn, so I'm gonna select LinkedIn. And lastly here, I'm gonna add basically the direction in which I want this comment to go. In this case, I'll say great tips. Let's connect more. For example, then at that point I'll hit generate, and as easy as one, two, three, there you go. I have an awesome image that I can just copy to my clipboard, go back to LinkedIn, and just apply this comment on the post. Remember that it's important to engage with others with their content, sharing, liking, so that in return they show us this interest back, engage, and like in our comment.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of My AI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that My AI can do to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on My AI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so. And I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.